guys. Open, shadow up, and then moving down, sell all the way. Also today, open, shadow up, moving down with the flag all the way. Very simple trade on GJ. This is on daily. Yes, 30. Let's see. 2 minutes left. We are live. Okay. So here we are live. This time, yes, we still have 2 minutes to start the US market. إجابات فيها نفوت فيها وريسكي. HF. Let's see. GBCHF. You have to, no, it's not risky. There is like 10 pips. You can have your 10 pips even above the support line, not here. But it's not that risky so far. You have to at the same time. Let's see. US 30. Well, I sent you like today on this is an educational, of course, session. I always revise things that's done. We had a perfect flag today, perfect flag, stagnation in the morning, and then it broke this level, the one I sent you on Telegram, and it hit, even it resumed, the runner kept moving down and hit the target. So now we have the 50-minute candle, most probably will, thank you, Elias. Most probably it should resume down. This is a rejection candle, small shadow or not, but breaking if 150.10 will mean a potential sell. Also, ooh, is this a gap on Dow? We opened with a gap. Why? Okay. Let's see. Yes, 30 move. By the way, for the person who asked me yesterday on YouTube, I think David, about Euro USD, so it hit exactly 74% as I told you, 117.10 and resumed down. We'll check this now in a while. Once we, oh, it's breaking. It's breaking this level. Okay, so let's see if we will break the 150 level. We have like a clear traffic. Look, you'll have almost a clear traffic here. This will be an impulse entry. I'm selling at this level. GBP, JPY. It will be an impulse entry. And we'll start managing the risk if it moves up. Let's see. Our stop loss will be 51.50.13. Actually, after breaking this level, we should not resume again up, especially 150. This Dow is closing the gap again. It's closed the gap, it's moving down fast. Let's see. Hit the first resistance support, but it's not like that big support. The second one will be here, mainly, and the third one will be down. Let's see. After the market opened with a gap, now the US 30 closed this gap. One مشكلة trading view, okay. Anyway, in all cases, we'll wait like a down move so we can close or not. Yes, let's wait. We need this move. I'll get ready for a buy on US 30. The first buy on US 30. At the same time, we have the GJ still moving down. Let's see. First buy on GJ on US 30. Let's see. It's left. I will go into half lot, guys. If we reach, we needed one more pip. Let's see if we reach it. Okay, my first buy, but I took it like 10 pips above. Oh my god, it moved so fast. No worries. Half lot. I'm in half lot at 33,397.9. Half lot. GJ is still moving down. Our trade on GJ is still going down so far. Up again. We are in profit in US 30. Ten pips so far. I'm closing this trade. First trade close on GJ. We did like 97, 7, 10 pips. 10 pips on US 30, sorry, US 30, first 10 pips. Let's wait another breakdown. I believe like we can have a better buy at this level if we reach this level. GJ is still moving here. We are at the entry point. US 30. One last move. If the US 30 will be able to move to 33,367, one move, we have this 1 minute, it's very important, or we don't have like we do not have like a green candle. This will be, for me, I think it will be a great buy at this level, 33,367. Now we are out of US 30 trades. We are trading just JPP, JPY, and we are almost at entry. 30 seconds left. Let's see. I think as per this US Open so far in the first 10 minutes, we should reach at least this level, 33,369. At this level, guys, if we reach it, I will go a full lot. I will go into a full lot. Okay. But it's really not comfortable so far. Let's see. That the market is not moving the way we want exactly. Look, this trade in GJ, I'll be waiting because it broke this area. But hopefully, and I'm not really sure about it because it should have on the New York Open, we should have this move fast. It's too slow so far. But let's see US 30 again. It hit the support. Hopefully, it won't go up again from this support. We need this move down. We need, yes, perfect. Perfect. Go. Oh, yes, 30. Go. Oh, yes, 30. Hmm. Problem, US 30. Ah, we will have a small problem here. Let's see if we will break this support. This is a minor support, but hopefully we'll break it. Because we have many minor supports here. Okay, if we reach the second one, I will start a half lot from this here, not to miss this trade. Let's see. I will remove this is a support, but this is minor. So I wait 33375 to go into the first trade. If I want to sell here, buy at this level, I will go half lot, not the full one. 7, 5. 33375 will be my first entry if we reach it. Okay, perfect. My first entry, half lot. My first entry, half lot. Now I prepare a full lot for the next buy here at one more pip. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. It will be like here 60, 66. 66. We need the 66, guys. 66. 66. Come on, 70. We still have like 4 pips. 66, 66. Come on, come on. And one. Okay, perfect. Full lot. I entered. Gave me 68. Perfect. Okay, now I think ready for the next one. Look, wow, 15 minutes candle, amazing. 1 minute left for the 15-minute candle. I will wait the close of this candle. So far, GJ is moving back down again. GJ is moving down again. 1 minute left for this candle. Actually, that's on GJ. If we see again, I will get out because I want to focus here on US 30. Especially that there is a 15-minute candle to open in 41 seconds. Okay, GJ, I closed the trade, guys. I closed the trade on GJ. There is no more trade on GJ. Okay, I will secure no loss. It's a small profit. But let me focus here on the US 30 because we are going into the profit now. And the new candle, 15-minute candle, should open. So let's see if we have a trade at this level, even a small one. Whoa, perfect. Perfect, perfect. We need more. One more move up. One more move up. Not enough. I won't close this trade actually here, even if it went down again. So I'm still at the beginning of the next 15 minutes. Let's see. Now we might have a wick fill here again and resume to this 33,339. Oh, thanks God, we are out of GJ. Now it's moving up again. It's moving up again. Wow. Amazing, guys. I closed the full lot. Now I'm still in the half lot. Wow, this is the move we wanted. Perfect. I closed both trade now. This is the move we are waiting for. Big move. So let's see. And the full lot 33368. 36381, which mean almost 14 pips in this. Guys, did you take this trade? Badia, perfect. Perfect, Badia. Did you take this trade? Super nice. Ali, perfect. Badia. I took 10 pips, well, perfect. Rodrigue, perfect. This is what we were waiting for. Guys on YouTube, did you take this the straight? This is Hamza, perfect Hamza. Always in George. Ahmad, almost 30 pip. Bravo, Ahmad, perfect. Yes, we had almost like now. First we took 10 pip and then 14 we are 24 and we have the 37 7 7 9 2 pips, so 26 pips on US 30 so far, 26 pips on US 30 so far. Elias, go for this. Muhammad, perfect guys, that's amazing. I will send it on Telegram. Bilal, perfect. Muhammad, a lot do not trade US 30. Guys, be careful. When I say lot, it means, as a Muhammad, perfect, Yamin. As we always say, a lot, when I said lot, because I don't want to say micro lot and things, I'm always trading based on a $1,000 account. When I say one lot, this means, when I say one lot, this means I'm talking about, ooh, GJ kept, ooh, GJ. Yes, perfect. Ali, you're still holding GJ. Ah, again, it worked against you as 30 this time. It was almost obvious that it will go down, but I don't want to confuse between these two trades. That's okay. So when I say lot on when I say lot, I mean micro, half lot 0.01 on 1000. Lot means 0.02. People with Royal, it's 0.1 and 0.2 on the US 30. Okay, guys? So please, be careful with this. Not one full lot. We do not talk about one full lot. Once again, let me add this on the group. Now I think US 30, if we break this 33,389, this is a rejection. We can look this minor support. It hit it and moved up. We can move more up. So yes, I think we are moving up now, while GJ is still moving down. Wow, the JPY, the study was good. We had a retracement, but here, if we didn't, يعني, if we were like looking on GJ, here was the entry again, 149.98 again. Once we do this shadow and we move back down again, then you can take the trade again down. Let's see. And this is the US 30 breaking the high. We should retrace up. So let's go to our lovely Telegram. This was today the GBP JPY, and here we are, US 30. Today, these trades, GBP JPY, we closed it almost on at entry, almost, with very small profits, but US 33 trades, and so far 24 pips. So far 26 pips, sorry. Okay. So wow. This reversal on Dow. This reversal on Dow. we had the chance to take a buy at this level. Look, it was a good move. And also we missed the third buy here. We missed the third buy at this level. It was a good minor support to have, and at least half lot. And at this level, we keep this half lot moving up. Yes, we should leave runners. Let's see. Oh, GJ retracing up again with the US 30. Actually, the move for GJ down, as I was expecting US 30 to go up, usually, these two work together, usually, almost. But of course, sometimes, and it changed. So the reason why I closed GJ, because I was estimating that, or I estimated that the US 30 will go up. So this will make some trouble to GJ. And that's why I wanted to focus only on Dow. Elio, perfect trade, Abdullah, super enjoying making money daily. I left 50 pips on US 30. Perfect, Elio. You left 50 pips on US 30. That's amazing. That's amazing, guys. You can manage your trade normally. For example, if I close the trade, let's say I close the trade on 20 pips or 25 pips, and you see like you want to leave a runner, you can leave a runner. You can close half lot and leave a runner to move up with a stop loss at entry. Okay, so the problem, why I didn't left a runner? Because usually when I want to leave a runner, I leave it when I have a sniper entry. For example, if I went to another buy at 33,354 and the market went up, then when it's here, I would close the two trades above and I would leave this as a runner with a stop loss above entry. But when I take my trade and I'm not taking it as a sniper entry, so usually I cannot expect the US 30 to keep moving up. So once I have my profit, I want to lock my profit. I want to secure my profit. As you can see on our daily live stream, every day we are having profits, every single day. It's rare, it's almost rare that we close with loss. It's so rare. So that's why my job here, my main focus here is to secure profits for you guys, for me, for people watching us on YouTube. So this is something that if we have like small profits on a daily basis and even more, it will be perfect. Well, not able to concentrate. It's crowded around me, but I will. I wish we could. Let's see gold. Someone sent a study on gold, something like this. Oh, well, I was saying gold is breaking the double bottom. Oh, let's see gold. 4 hours. Nice gold. Seriously, it's breaking the double bottom. We have to see our daily close today, by the way. We cannot trade based on this break. Look what a move here, like almost 20 to 130 pips. What we will have to do, we'll have to wait a close to see if we'll have a small retest or retracement, and then if it's moving up, I think it will be a good buy option. It's exactly a double top. Come on. Wow. It's like a book. It's like in the book. Okay. Let's say 75% of the target, and this is the resistance. So we will have a buy like 1760, 65 with take profit. Let's say 1800. 1800, it will be a good sell option. US 30. GP. Oh, that's GJ. That's why I don't really like to risk on GJ, especially after a big move down, especially after having a divergence on the 30-minute. Don't forget on our advanced system, we have a divergence now on the 30-minute. Look, this is a divergence on the 30-minute. We have to be careful from this divergence. I'm not saying it will be a full retracement, but we might see this retracement again also on the RSI on the 30-minute. So if we keep moving up, this can be a reversal for GJ. Usually we buy this. Usually we buy at this level. أدونيس هلا قصدك نفس الشيء البروفيت وشو الادفانتج تبع اليو اس 30 اندكس عن غير. Okay, so guys, let's see. في حدا كبس. So Rodrigue. Let's see guys. أهم شيء ما تتحمسوا. Over. Now we have good trades so far. As usual, we have daily profits. This is something that you can't see easily on any other live stream. Having daily profit, daily. This is something special here so far. Hopefully. One day we'll have this loss. One day we'll have this loss. So بعيد الشر وأي. No, it's normal. It's part of the game, guys. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. In this business, you will make money, you will lose money, you will make profit, you will lose. It's normal. It's normal. This is something that we must not be afraid of. When we expect something, we have to expect it, but without being afraid of losing.
هاي عبد الله كيفك؟ يسمعك.
بس القهرني انا الضاو دائما بتفرق معنا كرمال فادي عبد الله كينج اوف
عبد الله بسكر ميك مصر.
يس قل لي.
اوكي سامعني.
يس
اوكي سو فار في امبارح حدا نصحنا قال لي خلص ستوب كلوز سكرين. today انا عامل like 3 pips on 3 trades on gold.
Yep.
In each one I did like 10 pips. Now 10 pips. Yeah, so far all my day is 40 pips. I should stop, take a break, or keep on?
Yes, of course. Don't overtrade. If you have 2-3 trades profitable, it's enough, bro. It's enough for me. Because overtrading, why do you want to risk to lose what you have done? You got my point?
I already take a long break.
Sorry?
I already take a long break.
It's not about having a break. It's about calling a day. Calling a full day. It's not about having a break. Like, for example, okay, perfect. I did 30 pips. Okay, I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm gonna read a book, small 30, and then this is my break. I will come back.
No, yeah, this is. But the point, the market today is working as we have already studied or we are planning for it. That's why this is the days we wait for.
You are Elias, no?
Yeah, that's it.
Actually, Elias, I think something. What you care about is that I have this 1 week off. I want to make the most profits possible here before I go back to my job.
I told you that yesterday.
But be careful. This can have an inverse result. Now you are making profits. For the last 2 days, like it was what 3 days so far. You are off.
Yeah, 2 days. Yeah.
Yes. Tuesday, Wednesday, and today.
Yeah.
Okay, so these 3 days, are these 3 days really profitable for you?
The first day, Friday we'll talk about it. Maybe I will be kicked by you, or I don't know.
That's okay. You increased lots.
But
you
the other 2 days, yeah.
Okay.
The other 2 days, yesterday and today, they are great.
Perfect. So just keep the spas on a low risk, just for
Yeah, it
you
is.
guys, because you will, and if you look, this business is tricky, guys. Let me tell you why it's tricky. Because when you lose, you will be emotionally in a state that I want to make money again. I want to make يعني تعود مثل ما بيقولوا. I want to have some revenge trades without even knowing that I'm doing this. Okay. At the same time, if you make a lot of money or you have like 3 days in a row profitable days, you think that now you are the George Soros of this game or the Warren Buffett, and then not you, me, everybody. So we think that you are the George Soros of this game, and then there is no way I will lose again. And then I lose my first trade. Oh, I lost my first trade. Why? What's happening? I've been winning for the last 2 days, and then oh, I lost my second trade. And here your emotions start to work, and here your mind is not taking the right trades. You are taking trades based on the result, not based on the study exactly as you wanted. So this is the trick in this game. If you make a lot of money, you will want more, because you see like, I'm making money, why can't I do more? At the same time, if you don't make money, you will be emotionally down, and why people are making money and I'm not making this money? And then you will, I will make, this trade will make me this money, and you will go into an emotional state where you won't be able to have a rational decision based on patience and based on real study. So be careful in this. I'm saying this in general, but this is what applies. Even it applies to me, guys. Me, if I trade under these two conditions, I lose trades. When I trade without these two conditions, there is no way I lose most of my trades. So the problem is not with you only. The problem is with what this business can give us. And as a human being, I always want more. If someone will say no, then he's lying. Okay. I'm one of these people. But what we work on, and this is the third pillar and fourth pillar in our program, we talk always about risk management, which will lead us, risk management, which will lead us to know how to master our emotions during trades. If we don't know how to master our emotion, then we will lose all what we have done. And this will be a disaster for us, because it will drain us and it will keep moving until we say stop. I did not lose. Well, stop. I did not win. Today is a new day. I forget yesterday what I did. For example, when I go with you guys on every day on a live stream, believe it or not, I forget yesterday what I did. I forget before yesterday what I did. And then I see the total at the end of the month, at the end of the week, but I don't see like, okay, I will take this risk because yesterday and before I did the profit, so I will risk my profit. This is gambling. And this is why some people say this business is gambling, not because this business is gambling, because the person who's trading is a gambler. So be careful. The mindset of gambling is present anytime in our heads, but we must know how to master this to have the minimum risk.
يا عبد الله لا بصراحة لا talk in English. To be straight with you, all the tips you are giving us, I'm working on them and moving on them. Well, this thing that is making me profitable. First day it wasn't profitable because I was working my own way. I want a revenge. It make me lose.
Perfect.
That's it. But now the last 2 days, I'm working slowly, moving easy, controlling my nerves and everything, and I'm getting profitable. That's the point. So also again, thank you. It's all from your tips.
بالعكس يلا perfect. We need always to keep improving our skills in this.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect, guys. Let's see. And now, GJ. Good, you're still here. Let's see, what do we have? Do we have any new move? For example, GJ 50-minute, maybe it's still creating a wick or a shadow before it keeps moving up. Actually, 150.22 will be critical. If we break this level, this can be a buy option, to be honest. Here, buy, go. Let's see if we'll have some retracement or kind of retracement. Now the market, you see how, for example, every day, like almost, these 30 minutes are the most important 30 minutes in trading. Like all your day can be based on 30 minutes, guys. Imagine what a business can give you 30-minute trading profits and make a living out of it. At some point, of course, not just depending for the first year on this. I'm talking in the future when you are experienced, when you have more like trust in the system and the way you are working. I'm not talking directly now.
Exactly. Adding for what you did said previously, people overtrade because they think that they get paid based on time, like a normal job. So if they make مثلا like $10 per 30 minutes, they think if I give more time to this business, more time on the chart, I'll make and on every 30 minutes $10, and they overtrade, but things doesn't work like that.
And this is the big, I'm not gonna say mistake, this is the big trap for me. Trap, I call it a trap. Because as you said, people think that I will get paid as much as I provide time. So if I have more time on screen, that I will make more money. If I stay like 5, 6 hours, 10 hours on screen, and then I can make more money. And this is not the result. Muhammad, Mr. Abdullah, when you take first and second entry, why do you close your second entry in profit, but therefore reaching the first entry? Why don't wait till it reach the first entry? Actually, if you see Muhammad today I left it. Today I closed the second one before the first one. The second one, yani, which is down the full lot before the first one, and then I closed the first one at entry. There is no loss in all what we saw. Look, I will show it to you. Here, for example, what you said, look, here, for example, let's see, this was the first buy, check here. And this was the second buy. I closed the second buy 1646, which is 1 second even, I think, no, sorry, 1 minute before I closed the first one, which was on entry. So this was on entry, I took the profit of the full lot. Okay, and this one was the first one we closed. Hala, if you are talking about yesterday, let me tell you what happened. For example, if I see like the market is not moving up in the right direction, like yesterday, I had the first entry half lot, the second entry, and then the third entry full lot. When I saw that the market still have bulls, يعني it can go up further, not to risk my trade, not to risk having a lot of lots. يعني I don't want to have, if I reach the higher level, I don't want to have like, يعني I don't want to increase my risk. That's why I close a trade on profit, because this is by flair, what we say. This is by experience. So you see, like, for example, the market is not really retracing. So we might see the market going up again. So I secure a profit, and this is a profit I secure, waiting for the next level, and then I resell on the next level. Instead of having one lot here and one lot above, I took the profit of this lot without having drawdown for this lot. I'm selling at the higher level. Let me tell you how. If I can see yesterday what happened again, I think it was something here. Okay, here, this move. Okay, when we reach this level here. So the first time when we reach this level, and then our first sell was something here. Let's say our first sell here, the second sell here, and then the full lot was here. Let's say like this. Okay, so when I sell the full lot here and I see like a down move and then the market wants to move up, it wasn't like here, it was 15 minutes before. Okay, I forgot where exactly, but we had this move and then we had the bigger move. Okay, after all this move up. Okay, this move. This is exactly what happened. Wait. Look, this is exactly what happened. I took my first sell at this level, half lot. I took the second sell here, half lot, and then I took the full lot at this level. Okay, so when the market went down, and I wasn't really sure that the market will keep moving down because we have a shadow to or a wick to fill, then I closed on profit this full lot. I booked my profit, and then here I have half lot, and here full lot, which means I have almost two lots. Now, when I close this on profit, I have, if the market keeps moving up, I have a drawdown for one lot. I don't have a drawdown for two lots. Okay, so when we reach this level, which is better, I sold one lot again. So now I'm always also in two lots sell, not now six lots. One, two, three, not three lot sell, two lot sell. Why? If the market kept moving up to this level, then I will sell. So my drawdown will not be that big, and my account will be more safe. I always focus. If you watch my live sessions every day, you see how much I focus on risk management. Risk management is the most important part of trading. We put ourselves in a better position if we do so. True, George. True. Well, also. So, and this is GJ. This is GJ. GJ still moving up. I think, as our advanced system says, we should have a buy at this level, to be honest. Oh, look, divergence, clear divergence on the 30-minute. This was a good buy. You're welcome, Muhammad. This was a good buy. But let's see if it breaks this level, it will be good. We have a good range, I think. See, like 18 pips. Like 18 pips. Let's see. Well, I always ask question because I have blown an account before because of wrong risk management. That's okay. Of course, guys. On YouTube in community, this is an educational live stream, so of course you can ask as many questions as you want. It's your right, guys. So no worries. the most important is that you can benefit the most from this live stream. You can benefit the most on a mental level, skills level, and anything that we can help, we are ready. So far, I'm having a lot of feedbacks, a lot of people who are talking to us on Instagram, on even on our WhatsApp here, about like how much they are benefiting or making profits from this, not just money-wise, but even mentally, even risk management strategies, the way they were thinking, why they blew their account, so this is something that really makes us happy, and this is something that converges with our mission that you are working on. So now the market having a small pause. EGJ. GG graph not quite neat today, right? Not quite what? Neat? What's neat? Clean. Yeah. Something not clean. We had this move. We always look for such moves. Actually, the only problem that we have that we had with Dow today, that we did not buy at this level. This level was a good buy level, to be honest. Yani, like in the middle here, 1, 2, 3. We should have like even half lot, not full lot. The full lot here, but we should have taken like half lot, especially that this candle was moving in one direction. So we should have like this buy at 33,352, because if we had this buy, this was a runner. This was to be kept as a runner, at least for this resistance here. Like we closed above 2 and we kept this, so our profit should have doubled or tripled, but that's okay. At the end of the day, we had profits. Like yesterday, only on Dow, we did like 7.5%, 0.75%. Today, 0.77% even. Today, 0.26. So in 2 days, you are making in your account 1% just on US30. I'm not talking about GBP, JPY yesterday and today, because also, so imagine in 2 days you are making 3% with GJ. So in 2 days, 3%. This is 3% in 2 days. Normally when you do this result, you do them with a small risk. You have people, 3%. Usually in a full month you make 3, 4, 5% or 10%. So what about 2 days? So that's okay. That's okay, guys. We have to be like humble. We cannot get every move in the market. For example, here GJ, like for me, it was always like also like on my advanced system. If you remember this divergence with this candle, at least we could take like this buy at this level, especially it's support here 49.90. So it could be like a buy, or even here when it retraced, but that's okay. That's okay, and maybe it will keep going up. After this shape, I think that we might see the GJ moving up to 150.41. because if we look also to the 44 hours, daily chart, wow, we are almost يعني 3 days down 53.10 50, let's say 50.10. Oh, we are like 300 pips. This week was epic for GJ, and I'm still looking for this close. This close on GJ will make me think a lot next week about getting into a long-term trade, to be honest, because I have the divergence that I need. I was waiting for this break of the RSI. I have the divergence that I want. I have 3 confirmation from CCI, RSI, and percentage R that the market will be moving down. I'm not saying this is 100% guaranteed, but what I'm saying that I will wait next week for a price action. I will wait for this candle to open, and hopefully we will have a retracement like the daily. I will show you it. Usually candles work the same on daily basis, on weekly basis, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. But if we have like this shadow here, let me write it down. Wait, this. If we have a small shadow here for this candle, small shadow. If we move up like with a small shadow up, okay, and then the market start moving down below the low of this week, then for me it will be a good sell from 150 almost to 148.50. This is a 150 pip, and for me we might see it retracing. So at this level, after this divergence at the same time, I'm going to take the Fibonacci, put it here, and most probably with a clear traffic, look, this is the support, this is the resistance level. With a clear traffic, we can reach this level. Okay, we'll have some resistance here at 48.70, of course, but if you are taking it as a swing trade, you might see it moving down to 146.32. This week was a good week. Breaking the is not something like heck normal, heck that easy. Look, RSI, I'm not talking about the CCI and percentage R. RSI, most of the time, of course, like we don't want to see this happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks of stagnation before it went down. Of course, I'm not looking for this, but hopefully it will be something like this here, like this one, like this one, for example. But this here, for example, it made a shadow of small shadow of 200 pips, and then it kept moving up. It retraced all this move, retracement, and then kept moving up. But RSI will show us how to look. Most probably, I'm not saying, I'm not guaranteeing everything. There's nothing called 100%, but most probably, if this, like tomorrow, today and tomorrow, we have a close at this level, so the market might be retracing. They might be retracing, especially that it's supported by some fundamental news regarding the wave 319, which like most countries are going into a new lockdown, being afraid of this pandemic again. So this is making gold, it's pushing up gold, and it is pushing up the yen JPY. US 30 stagnation so far. GBP, JPY, GJ trying to move up. Oh, I think this will be a clear traffic. It will be nice. If we see this trade, I will take it. We have a 34 pip range on the 15-minute. And we have this divergence on 30-minute also. And most probably we have 80% possibility to see GJ moving up. If we break this, we'll see the candles. It will be a good option. Look, what we always search for people who follow our trade, you see, like, I always look for the maximum confirmation possible, okay? And I take like price action, I take like indicators, I take like sometimes Fibonacci, I take support resistance, divergence. I work on every possible confirmation to have a better result. Let's see. So, what do we have here? US 30 still. Let's see. Let's take the example of the euro dollar, by the way, because yesterday, I don't know if you are live with us, someone asked me on the live stream on YouTube, like about the euro study, okay? And I took the 74% here on Fibonacci, which is exclusive for us, by the way. You cannot learn 74 anywhere, and look the magic of the 74% sniper entry. And we missed this trade, by the way. Actually, I wanted to see, like, if it reached during our live stream, I will be selling. Look, 74% exact, 119.14. And I told him that if you want to sell, you can sell. I think it was David, I think. Like, if you want to sell, you will sell at 119.10. It will be a good option. And then it retraced all the way to 118.62. So almost 50 pips from this level, from the 74%, after having all this daily move up, and it closed down, retracing all the move down. Usually this is a scalp, which if we take it like on 1 hour or 30 minutes, it's 10 pips. But of course on daily, it's 20 pips and above. And this is what exactly was done, like 14 pips, 40 pips almost. But of course, after 20 pips, you close half of the lot, stop loss on entry, and you keep a runner. If you see on the small time frame that it's reversing, you get out, you don't stick to this trade. For example, here, if you see like it's reversing here, actually here from 1868, 70, you are out. From this reverse after all this move down. And this is it, guys. This is trading. If you properly trade, understanding the system, combining the levels, then you won't have any problem in making profits. The most important part, I will repeat and I will keep repeating. Okay? Risk management. Risk management. Risk management. Let's see, GJ Dow started to move again. Hopefully it will move up now. Let's see also GBP, JPY, if we're going to close this, to close above this. I think we have a good opportunity at GJ, especially we are heading to the US close. Okay, so US 30 going up. Let's see. Yes, we need this to keep moving up. GJ is still down. US 30. Nice move. Half lot. Preparing my first sell. Oh, 1 pip. Oh, we missed this. Actually, I put it wrong. Like it's here, the support. Oof. It hit it. Okay, that's okay. And we took like 10 pips if we had made a straight. That's okay. The next level, it's better. Trying to hit it again.
Can't we take it from the second time it hit this level, this resistance?
Usually you can, but it will become more risky. I
Okay.
prefer to reach the other one. You can. Sometimes it hit 2 times, 3 times. But as the market is like a bit, we still have 23 seconds. This is important. I will wait even the close of the candle. If it closes at its high, it will be perfect. If it closes at 15 seconds, perfect. If it keeps going up for the next 10 seconds, it will be super perfect. Not now. Go. Up. Hopefully it will move up before it goes down again. Or else we would have like missed this trade. Now it's a good move up so far. So hopefully it won't retrace from here. It will keep moving up. Come on. We are talking about the 44 level. 10 pips away from here. 44 level. I think we'll reach it. And maybe more. But our first sell would be half lot at 44. Half lot. Which means 0.01 on 1000. Or 0.1 if you are on Royal. On US30, by the way, not US30 M1, not the future. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Powell at 7. Yeah, I don't really care about Powell if we take a trade of 10 pips. We need a fast call. We won't wait, Mr. Powell. And during Powell's talk, we should be watching, not trading, okay? Okay, Elias?
ليش حسيت بده يجيب اسمي ما بعرف.
لأنه حسك محمس كتير على التريد.
Yeah, but let me tell you something. When I was still on demo, there was a news about something. You already told us, like at 7 there's a news. So if you are in any trade, get out or take a part of it. Okay. So I was still on demo, and I did take half of it. For sure, on demo I put a lot of lots. So I was like 17 pips. Okay, plus.
And even if it hit my stop loss, but I was plus, I didn't, I don't care about it. So from that time, I know when there's any news, especially when you say about it, no trading, no
Yes,
trading, especially on real.
It's better. High emotion trading. This will be high emotion trading, like you are giving a try.
خاصة انه خلصوا الحبوب تحت اللسان ببق فيه.
يلا بقى.
بدك تلاقي بعض الصيدليات.
ما هيك
انقطعوا، ما هي مشان هيك. So no more risking بقى خلص. يعني Tuesday it was a risking day, خلص no more.
Perfect. Come on. Always on 2-3 pips. Like this is the fourth time. مش معقول.
The GJ is gone, or we still can wait more? GJ.
No, you have to wait. You have to wait and see. Breaking this level can say that it can resume down if it breaks like 50.03. 50.03. Come on يا سيرتي. هلا بيعمل النقفة الرهيبة.
بعده عم بيطلع الجولد.
No down, no down, no down. Don't want it. Oh, US 30. US 30. US 30 stuck. We have this range. It's a good range here. Okay, let's see. Now, I don't want to see like the US 30 breaking this level. Come on. Breaking this level. Ooh. Ooh. Don't want to see US 30 breaking this level. Of course, I'm not going to take it as a sell. We have here minor supports, but it will be like critical. It can be critical if it breaks. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think it will retrace. It was just about 2 pips. 2 pips. If it retraces from here, we would have missed this trade for 2 pips. I think it's done.
هلا هيدي مثلا كانت ريسكي علشان هيك ما فتنا فيها مزبوط.
It wasn't risky بس كنا ناطرين 2 pips يعني بس ناخدها سنايبر فرقت معنا 2 pips. دحين هون كنا ناخد أول واحدة. The first one like it was here 23.444 I said and the high was 442. Our first sell half lot, it was ready to sell. We were ready to sell at this level, but it didn't work. That's part of the game, as usual. as usual, part of the game. Sharif, I
بصراحة
saw nice. Yep.
بصراحة أنا اليوم بطلت فرقاني معي، فرقت على 1 بيب على 2 بيبس خلص I'm okay. مع إنه I
ليه
love it بس إنه still lovely. بس سوري يا عبد الله، قبل شوي كنت عم تحكيني وهيك بس ما قدرت أكمل معك. أنا اللي عم بقوله إنه okay yeah for sure today I've made like 40 pips, it's great, but what why I'm loving to continue today because all the studies we have put, all our plans we put, it's working on it. That's why I was so glad. Maybe tomorrow it will not work on our plans or our studies. This is the point. I was glad for it today, and I'm
Look,
excited to trade.
there is not something called today it will work on our plan, tomorrow it won't work. It's a process. So if you have the right study always, if you are patient in the market, waiting the right trade, then there is no, for me, there is no way you won't make it. You won't.
Yeah, I get you. But the point what I'm saying is like, let's say about gold. Okay, we've been like
Yes.
waiting for a few days for gold, waiting for the double top to break it and to start jumping up. And also you were waiting for the Great British Pound with the yen. Can you already draw it? You draw the trend line, and you were explaining from few minutes about the weekly candles. So these are plans you already putting before time. Okay, for sure it will come to it in the end. But I'm talking about today. Today so far the plans,
Yes.
at least I did, it's working right. And today I'm going gold, like buying gold. It was
Yep.
going straight up. But if today the market was for gold down, I wouldn't be able to trend. That's it. Sorry, to trade. Sorry, that's it.
True. I got your point. Yes.
So thank you for everything. Also, again.
No need to thanks always. Let's keep the space. The most important part is to keep the space, not missing in the future. Because a lot of traders start at the beginning, they are really ambitious, and then after sometimes after 2-3 months, all this time, they go into a higher risk trade. They think like 3 months consistent, they are making money. So it's time to increase, for example, lots, or increase the risk. Or this is the big problem. It's the most important part from this live stream is to show first everyone who's watching us on live, and you guys, even especially you in the community, that we need to grow our account consistently for months, for years, consistently. And this live account is to show how we will grow this live account consistently for this upcoming year. Not just winning like for making profit for the first month, second month, third month, and then everything's gone, or half of the account is gone. And this is something that happens a lot, by the way. This is not something like just I'm just saying it to say. So Dow, go ahead, Dow. GJ, GU is still gold. Today's close, by the way, today's close on gold will be important. So we will be watching. Let's see. on Dow. I think we might have one more trade on Dow. If we move up to this level, 33,456, at least starting this one and then this one. These three levels will be, of course, a good option to trade. Especially like we have this 15-minute candle, good move up from 33377. We need still like, I think all this candle, all this move, it will retrace up. This first level will be good, 33,458. It will be a good selling option. Not so far, not so far. Guys, by the way, I'm really happy for the engagement that you are doing on the community, our community chat center. So I'm checking these during the day. If there is anything that I can reply on, I'm doing. So keep discussing between you guys during the day on the community center. Now, I will start like having this screen became so heavy. Okay. Let's see. GJ. GJ falling again. We couldn't break this level. Yes, 30. It's even hard for GJ to have the proper retracement, imagine. Of course, as you can see, gold moving up and yen moving up also. Consistent move. Dow moving down again. Ooh. let's see, we still have 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle, but most probably GJ preparing to keep moving down. Wow. So fast after breaking this, like 8 pips right away. The 1 hour candle, look, 2 pips. But of course we would have closed it before this. No real retracement. It's really 4 seconds for this 1 hour candle. Done. Now this is critical here. If we look at the 4 hour, breaking this level 149.82 will mean almost clear traffic down toward this area. Like almost 35 pips. So now it's like it's retracing, making like a shadow. Again, شكله هذا السبورت هون. I think it's enough for today. As you can see, like we still have 1 hour until Mr. Powell start talking. So it's good. It's good as every day we are having like good studies, good analysis, good trades. We have a lot of educational studies and we are improving our skills on a daily basis. So it's really nice. Even if we don't do any trade, that's okay. We are just learning. We are learning. We are correcting some studies. We are increasing our skills. We are being better mentally and physically and trading wise in this business. So uh, I think if you have any question, please feel free to ask before I close this live stream. But mainly regarding my part, I think like uh, maybe the market will move again prior like Powell. But for me, as I'm 1 hour ahead of this talk, it won't be that attractive for me to trade in the market before this. I call it my day. I had already, as you know, trades on GBP, JPY during the day, GJ, and now on Dow today. So it has been like a good day. I did like 1%, 1.2%, so it's enough for me. Thank you for everyone who was watching us.